Next stop, your mom's house.
Getting me from the back.
Alright Ben, so why do we fly all the way to Texas? One-way ticket to Texas.
Texas? We got the wrong plane, dude.
Where are we supposed to end up? Cleveland?
Hawaii.
No, yeah, I wish. So why are we here in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas?
To become a real man.
True. Ben's actually buying a Power Stroke, actually from somebody we know off Instagram. If you guys don't know 14 Stormtrooper, he has a Trackhawk, he has one of the most insane JK builds I've ever seen, and he also has something to haul both of him and his best friend's Jeep, or he has two Jeeps. I don't know. Yeah, I think he has two Jeeps, but he also had a F-250 that he had a gooseneck on that he would haul the Jeeps to everything. So Ben is actually down here because he's actually selling the truck and the trailer. And Ben decided it was a great idea to fly down here with Ryan and buy this truck, and then we're gonna head back tonight, tomorrow.
Road trip.
We're gonna have a road trip tomorrow. It's gonna be a 15-hour drive back to Ohio. Maybe we could pick something up for the
we're gonna get
the trailer.
The world's largest ball of yarn.
Yes.
Put it on the trailer. Drive it back.
That's right. We need to find the world's largest ball of yarn though first.
We need cowboy hats and spurs. And a CB radio.
Yes. And big belt buckles.
How do we get out of here?
I don't know. I was following you guys. Well, once we find the way out of here, I don't think we're gonna have a problem finding our ride.
He might blend in. I think my Uber's here.
Hitchhikers?
What's up, man? Thanks for coming and getting us.
How you doing?
I saw her in Daytona 2 years ago.
Yeah.
But that was more of a look, don't touch type thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that is her. They cleaned it up pretty nice too.
The first thing I'm going to do is cover that chrome.
Yes. That is a good call.
So is Rubiclunk your heterosexual life mate?
Yes. Without him, most of my vehicles do not look like they do. So.
This is probably one of the sexiest, and sorry tell him to say this in front of you. This is one of the sexiest
Still in my driveway.
Things that...
Well, just don't look inside of it. It's all tore apart right now.
Hey, that's the way it should be.
So I just finished actually doing this engine cover as a test for some other stuff, but
So you guys didn't clear over top of the paint then, did you?
no.
You guys laid the black and then paint?
So yes. It was done by bullet liner. I was there for the whole process, and that's basically how it was done. So, 8 years, it needed some cleaning, so.
Maybe a little bit.
But I'm about to pull those speakers out and redo all the wiring so it's all nice and clean when it goes back together with the new stereo stuff. So
Let's wheel and deal and stuff. You mind if we start her up and things for everything?
Yeah, let's go.
I thought this was a manual.
Thank God it's not.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a nice ride back for me. I don't know about you guys, but I'll be back here living in luxury.
The seats fold up and have compartments under.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Platinum. Wait a second, you're saying this is diesel?
He only invited me because he wants me to get a diesel.
Yeah.
That's gonna do it too. Driving this thing all the way back to Ohio, it'll make me want a diesel.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, here we go. We have, this is the trailer that's coming with it. It's a 30 foot, 35 foot trailer. So you can see we're gonna have no problem fitting both my Jeep and Ben's Jeep on here, or whoever his vehicles for Jeep Beach. But we're gonna go ahead, run around here, take a look at this truck. It's a lifted Super Duty Platinum. This thing's actually super clean. You can see it's got like the big touchscreen, the wood dash, and super nice leather, heated, cooled seats. Yeah, this thing is gonna be one great tow pig for us when we do all of our Jeep events this year. I can't imagine Ryan's truck's much bigger than this though.
Right?
For a 14 or 12-inch lift.
This is 8.
And this is 8? Yeah, this feels like in Ryan's truck. I mean, I don't know, I guess I haven't been in it in a while.
Feels comfortable, like as far as like just the space.
Yeah.
Oh shit! There is no step there.
Yeah. Making it official?
Not to warn you that it is difficult to get out of the neighborhood.
So
We were saying that he's like,
I'm like, they're gonna think I'm a damn idiot. Back and forth.
All my friends are like, you live in the most strange neighborhood ever.
That street there looks like it's a cul-de-sac, so I'm like,
Yeah.
okay, I should have turned left there.
Right.
And that's why I did that from the start.
we were laughing, we passed the second time, and I'm like, he's probably thinking we're an idiot.
As soon as we saw 2 other vehicles though that kind of looked like they knew where they were going, it's like, all right, following them.
The second time you went past, I was like, maybe I should call him and tell him. I like driving it.
It does not feel like it's
No,
lifted
it
8
doesn't.
inches on 40s.
No.
Like, yeah, I mean, when you're seeing other vehicles next to you, you look a lot
Right.
taller than them.
Yeah.
But when you're driving it down the road, I mean,
Seems somewhat standard.
it feels normal.
Yeah, just
So-
tall.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'd like to make this thing official.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it, man. It drove like a dream.
It feels a lot bigger getting out of it
Yes,
than it does
getting in.
getting in or riding in it.
Well, she's yours, how you feel?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah.
I love it.
Yeah? Oh dude, this is a sick truck for sure. Now that he owns a Texas truck, he needs a hat and some cowboy boots, so
I'm gonna get her done.
that's the next mission.
We're getting there.
See, Ryan can just pick one up and it's just done. Yeah, easy. I'm more of a Crocodile Dundee type myself.
Feather in there.
That's not bad. Oh, there we go. We're getting closer for sure.
We're getting close to Ryan.
Yes, he's a brown. He's a brown. You're a brown hat for sure.
Panama Jack hat here.
Yeah, you're going down the Mississippi with that.
Like Indiana Jones there.
Ben, I think you need this one for the front of the truck. Matches pretty well. Nice black,
Nice size.
black
Not
accent.
like too big. Like
Yeah.
this one, I feel like I would think I was overcompensating.
Yeah.
But something like that.
It's like right in the
not
middle,
that
but it's not like one of the smaller
bad.
ones.
It's not like this one.
Yeah. You know, you gotta stay in the middle. Mission 1 accomplished. Ben got a fresh new pair of boots. He's wearing them in right now. Oh yeah. We're gonna go ahead and get those muddy later. Also, when you buy boots, apparently you get beer to drink on the road. So we're not even questioning that. We're just gonna walk out of the store, and next up is to buy a couple hats. I think you're gonna get a hat, and Ryan's thinking about it. He may
It's
get
like
one.
Oprah. I get a hat.
You get a hat.
You get a hat. Everybody gets a hat.
That's your look right there. 2 thumbs up
Fits. If it fits, it ships.
for a low flat rate.
This is what it looks like. I'm gonna be a man.
It has not been a bad Friday. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now. It's been one of the best Fridays I can remember.
This has been a good
Thank God
Friday.
you didn't get married on a Friday. Your wife would kill you.
Actually did get married on Friday.
Oh, this is one of the best.
What'd she say?
Can't stare us.